HOAs and condo boards are increasingly challenged to maintain properties effectively while keeping a keen eye on budgets. By anticipating potential issues, HOAs can save money, reduce stress, and enhance transparency and efficiency. Let's explore 8 actionable tips for effective HOA maintenance management. Instead of waiting for breakdowns, HOAs should invest in regular inspections, scheduled upkeep, and a data-driven planning. This approach minimizes downtime and disruption, fostering accountability and transparency. Early detection of wear and tear allows for timely preventive repairs, reducing unexpected breakdowns and lowering long-term costs. This proactive approach improves safety and reliability across the community. Prepare a detailed seasonal maintenance calendar to address changes throughout the year. Planning around seasonal needs helps prevent expensive, rushed repairs. This not only saves money by preventing seasonal deterioration, but also enhances safety and protects the community's assets. Routine checks on specific equipment, like elevators and pool systems, are essential. Community managers should ensure smooth operation to protect residents' safety and prevent costly emergencies. Transparent communication is key to building trust within the community. Keep residents informed about scheduled repairs, budgeting decisions, and upcoming maintenance activities. Open communication channels allow residents to provide feedback and report issues promptly. Integrating technology into maintenance strategies is essential. Platforms like Neigbrs by Vinteum provide dedicated communication channels, ensuring seamless management of maintenance alerts and resident feedback. Establishing long-term relationships with trusted vendors. Invest time researching local service providers, negotiating contracts, and setting up regular service schedules. By creating a reliable relationship with those vendors, you can ensure service quality, better contract terms, and predictable costs. Certain states require HOAs to maintain detailed records, especially as unit numbers increase. HOAs can store maintenance logs, financial reports, contracts, and compliance certificates on a centralized platform. This ensures compliance with state laws, simplifies document retrieval, and enhances organizational efficiency. Imagine predicting maintenance needs before they become critical. By analyzing historical data and trends, HOAs can anticipate potential problems and schedule preventive maintenance at the right time. This data-driven approach saves money, extends asset lifespan, and improves long-term management, reducing unexpected repair costs and enhancing community satisfaction. A proactive HOA maintenance strategy is never static. Establish regular feedback loops with residents, vendors, and maintenance teams to stay ahead of new demands. This encourages continuous improvements and adaptation to any maintenance need. In summary, proactive HOA maintenance reduces costs, improves operational efficiency, and fosters community trust. Embrace proactive maintenance today to create a financially resilient and transparent community for tomorrow. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about enhancing your community, subscribe to our channel and click the link in the description. Don't forget to follow us on our social media for updates and more valuable insights. See you next time.